Well, cat lovers, look what we got here. 7 little kittens rescued from Dumpsterville. Here we're looking at Jackson, and Millicent, and over here, that's Grayson, and the big boy, you can barely see, and that would be Tyson. Well, there's 3 more. For right now, 4 is enough. Hey, little Batson. Just creeping around. Now it's 100 degrees outside today. Ah, nice and cool in the AC. You got the plastic mattress cover, so we can't have any accidents. Aren't you cute? Somebody wants to adopt you, I'm sure. Isn't there someone that would adopt this cute little kitty? Well, we'll find out soon enough. Because you can't stay here, that's for sure. You guys. And I still got the 2 Siberian cats. Gene and Jake. Oh boy, am I in trouble.